everybody, this is Nerf Gun Reviewer 331 here today, and today's video I'm going to be reviewing the Nerf Scout Mark II. This is what it looks like. Just your average pistol. It has it looks like it has a rotating barrel which holds 4 darts. Does not have slam fire. Yet I'm very pleased by this blaster because off camera it does accuracy is not a problem with this blaster. Ranges maybe some. I couldn't judge much on the ranges as far as like standing there and shooting all the way over there. But like its accuracy is like beyond me. So yeah, I'm gonna do a demonstration. The way it works is it's same priming as the Quadrant. You pull this thing back like so, and then onto your click. Automatically rotates the barrel once to transition a dart or something like that. So what I'm aiming for is this or this. Although accuracy just also depends on the person. So there you go, second try. But these, it also comes with 4 elite darts. And this blaster is, like I said, it's super accurate. Like, from, I think this is like a 10-foot distance, 15-foot distance. Now, if I were to shoot it from, say, over here, that might be a little bit unpromising, but let's see. I'm going to aim for the doorknob all the way at the other end. Close. And that was more. Okay. So, oop, too far. The Nerf Scout Mark II. At close range, it is going to be the most accurate Nerf gun on the planet. But as soon as you get, like, I don't know, 10, 20 feet further away from your target, it becomes also the most inaccurate gun in the world. It does have a tactical rail, which I don't know why they have these stiff tactical rail points here. And I don't know why this is like the new thing, because I don't like this. I like it springy, like this orange piece here. I like it to be springy, not stiff. I feel like yeah, so anyway. They also have slit, like little holes here on each side that you kind of see, like, oh, you can even see the internals inside. That's cosmetics kind of thing, but the grip is very uncomfortable for my big monster hands, and yet, even though the grip feels a little uncomfortable, the trigger's nice and smooth, and all the rest of it. For modifying this gun, or blaster, I would honestly say this would be, I'd say medium difficulty. Because there's, like I said, every time you just pull this back slightly until you hear that rotating barrel click. It rotates every time you pull it just slightly, and also when you just pull it all the way in, all the way out. So I went over the accuracy and the part of the ranges. So let me get into my normal way of how I do these Nerf gun reviews. The ammo capacity is it comes with 4 darts, but honestly that's quite a very little amount of ammo that they give you. I wish they gave you like double or maybe double and a half. But you can't always get what you want. Let's see, so there's no moving parts, there's no things that flip out or pop out or whatever. The tactical rail looks like you put on attachments from the back and push forward. So that's kind of nice, I guess. The style of the Nerf gun it looks different. It's just different to me. The Rate of fire depends on... There is no slam fire on this blaster. I tested that out off camera. There is no slam fire. And it sure sounds like it, but... You'd have to hold the trigger down and just make sure this gun doesn't, like, drop down as you're pulling this thing. Otherwise, yes, it does have slam fire, but at the same time, no, it doesn't. No, yes, because you hold down the trigger and you just do this. Not really that appealing to me. No, because it's impractical and you're going to shoot your darts down every time you pull. Oh, every time you... Yeah, it's just, it's so weird and complicated. Let's see, so rate of fire is iffy. It's like a single shot blaster. It's like a Night Finder. Think of it as a Night Finder or a Fire Strike. Same idea. Reload time is fairly simple. You just load. You can load the darts either way. You can load them in the front of the barrel or on the two sides. I personally prefer the two sides, just because that's just typical for me, and typical for what some Nerf blasters are, like strong arms, Mavericks, whatever. Reload time is fairly simple. I mean, wait, that's what I just said. Reload time is relatively simple. You just throw 4 darts in, and that's about it. You would have to rotate the barrel once or twice, but that's, like I said, that's about it. Let's see. The ranges, angled ranges, I haven't tested that out yet, but leveled ranges, they actually go to about 45 feet, is my guess. Let's see, the accuracy, like I said before and showed at the beginning of the video, accuracy at close ranges, deadly. Accuracy at far ranges, not so deadly. It's actually kind of weak. The let's see, the firepower on this thing, actually I need to test that. The firepower, which my specialty for firepower, for testing firepower, what I usually do is I would first of all load up some ammo into the blaster, and then I shoot it at a wall. Depending on how much bounce back is on that wall, or on the Nerf dart that comes out of the Nerf blaster. So I'll give you an example. That has tremendous firepower because the whole idea is I don't move until that dart hits the ground, and it's either in front of me, right next to me, or behind me. And I'll do that same thing again. Just the idea is you just go for the wall that's equally distanced, like about 10 feet, maybe 10 feet from you to the wall. Alright, so the shots vary. So the firepower depends on how you angle it or how you do it right or something like that. But based on my firepower test, so to speak, the first one went past me going, went past me, so that one's pretty good. But the second one was a little weak, so maybe some of these barrels are iffy. I don't know. I didn't have my coffee today, so I'm a little, I'm a little tired. What else? The specialty is, I don't really know if there is a specialty for this kind of Nerf gun. It has 4-dart revolving barrel, which is unheard of. At the same time, I think you could do that same thing with the hammer shot when you 3D print a mega 4-dart revolving barrel or whatever. But anyway, long story short, to wrap up this Nerf gun review on the Nerf Scout Mark II, it has potential, but at the same time they do have some quirks that it needs to work out. So I'd give the Scout Mark II from Nerf, I'd give this, let's go with 8 out of 10. No, actually no. 7.5 out of 10. 7.5 out of 10. It's a relatively good blaster. There are some problems with it, like such as one of the main problems I would believe would be sometimes the loading. You can't really, I mean, you would have to like kind of push the dart in slightly. I don't know. Anyway, I give this 7.5 out of 10. I have no idea what I'm rambling on about. I need coffee, so I'm gonna go get some coffee. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. This is the Nerf Gun Reviewer 331 signing off for today. Hope you guys enjoyed the video on the Nerf Scout Mark II Nerf Gun Review, and I'll see you guys later.